All right, first let's start with our reading. You ready? Elizabeth and Juliana and Jordy and Henry and Ryan and Adley. No. Charlotte, I was right the first time. Charlotte and Miles and Mindy, Mrs. Holden. Here we are together in music today. Okay, we're gonna do something totally different than you're used to.
Wait, you didn't say Ryan.
Who didn't I say?
Ryan.
I did. I said Henry and Ryan, and then I messed up because I was going to say Charlotte, and then I backtracked, and I was correct. I should not have second-guessed myself. But hey, that's way better than last time, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
okay.
I got like 2 names wrong.
I want to try something, and I tried this in first grade, and I want to see if it's going to work for us. So can you be flexible with me?
Yes.
See this little guy?
Yeah.
He's a robot. His name is Dot. And Dot...
We saw that in the parade.
Yeah, but you saw the one with the body, and the one with the body that moves is called Dash. Dot doesn't go anywhere. Dot just stays put.
Yeah,
But we are going to attempt.
I think that's on the screen. Yeah, the robots.
You see it on there? Yep.
Just had hot.
We are going to attempt to make Dot sing for us today. And we're going to make Dot sing for us. And while Dot is singing for us, we also want to make sure Dot can do some light changes, right? So first thing we want to do, make Dot sing. And the second thing we want to do is make sure Dot can do what? Change colors. Change
Because you can't dance because that
Dot's colors.
Because it includes to dance to move.
Yep.
And you can't move so that means you can't dance. Doesn't have wheels, that's why
Yeah.
you can't move.
So I went into this app, the Wonder app, okay? And I'm going to click on this little plus sign. It says create new. And the name of our, oh, can I change the name? No. We want to create a song called Carol of the Bells. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. These kids did it. They're singing in a different language, okay? So be ready for it.
What?
I don't know. I think it's Russian, but it might be Ukrainian.
I think it's
I mean Belarusian, but I'm not sure.
There's him.
Yep, there's that.
Щедрик, щедрик, щедрівочка, прилетіла ластівочка, стівочка, стівочка.
Дуже тепло. Яка краса, дякую.
Yep, that's Dash. We're going to fast forward it a little bit. So we need to make that do that, not this. We're not going to add the guy before, that's already Dash. But we want Dot to be able to sing, and we want Dot to be able to change colors. So we have to use this little program. I'm going to need your help. Do you think you can help me?
Yes.
I have a couple rules, so you can't get out of your seat unless you raise your hand and you ask and you have to point to something, right? But if you're just getting up and wandering, not going to work. So this is our start. This tells us we're going to start. And we need to, what's our first thing we want to do?
Sing.
Make Dot sing, okay? So I'm going to go on my sound. You see my microphone? I get a little bit of work for us to help us out. I'm going to take this and drag it. And I already made a sound here. And I have another part of the song. And the last part. So we need Dot to be able to sing all of those parts and change colors. So should I start with the first part? Okay. We're gonna add it. Now if I click play, uh-oh, nothing is happening. What do you think I need to do to get Dot to sing? What do you think, Merritt?
Just sing with the iPad.
I did that part already, but I have the start button here, and then I have this. Lainey,
Plus the microphone.
press the microphone. Uh-oh, takes me back to here. What do you think, Charlotte?
Plus the green play.
See, can we problem solve this? Because it's not playing, it's just at the start.
Who's the color?
Let's see.
Press the arrow.
The arrows, like this thing? What should I bring it to?
The microphone.
Okay, should I bring this one to the microphone, or should I bring the microphone to there?
That one.
The blue one or the
Yeah.
orange one?
The blue one.
The blue one to microphone? Okay, should we see what happens?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, we did it! So we made Dot sing, but I told you we wanted to make sure Dot has two colors, and our song is not over, is it? Okay, let's add the other sounds. Let's just see what happens if I put the other sounds in. But I'm gonna change it to the next part of our song. Sound good?
Yeah.
Okay, song 2. The part about Christmas is here, bringing good cheer. Should I put in the third sound too? Okay. What do you think I need to do to make the song happen? What do we do next? Henry?
You put the arrow to one.
So which arrow? Do I do this arrow, or this arrow, or this arrow? Come show me.
I think you should do that one to that one to that.
So like 2 to 1 to 3, or 1 to 2 to 3?
1 to 2 to 3.
Okay, so drag this one here. Drag 2 to 3. All right, let's see. Let's see how it works. So we did it. Did we make Dot sing?
Yes!
We coded Dot. We programmed this robot who wasn't going to sing before, right? We coded and programmed Dot to sing. So check goal number 1.
Now we need to
We
change
gotta make them change colors, right? Okay, so we've got options down here. It says light, sound, animation, or special. Where do you think the colors might be? You think light? Okay, let's try it. Let's see if that's where they are. Are they there?
Yeah.
Okay, now it is Christmas, right?
Red and green.
Red and green. Okay, do you want to start with green or start with red?
What?
Red. Okay, so I'm gonna drag the red light. Now here's where it's tricky. If I just press play, did that change colors? No.
It stayed.
Okay, we gotta do something.
No, you need to put the.
What do you think we should do, Kaya?
For my blue one. Put the arrow thing to the blue one. The red thing.
Show me which orange arrow to connect to the red one. Which one?
This one.
You want to connect the 3, like this way?
Yeah. Yes. And then put the green and then connect it to that.
Well, let's do this one step at a time. So I like that. I'll add the green one in here. And you want to connect the green one to what?
Red.
Like this?
Yeah. I see the green.
Okay, so it changed to green, but what happened with our red?
It didn't get there.
It didn't go there quite yet. Okay, so I have to take this one out because we're gonna fix that. Let's take this one out, so we're gonna fix that. Okay, so we definitely connected this one to the red, right?
I know what. You can't do scribble scrabbles.
You can't do scribble scrabble, so I should move this?
Yeah, like a straight line.
Okay,
You can do scribble scrabbles.
so, and then we wanted to connect this here, right?
That's still zigzag. Zigzag.
Uh-oh. Did you see what I did?
Yeah.
I press this, and then I'm on auto, so it will go to the next thing. So let's see what happens now if we did it this way. Still white though. It was quick. Okay, what was the, we did change the colors, so did we make that change colors? Okay, we did. But
the red is
the red was really fast. And then I want to think about this. Can I change this direction?
yes.
Instead of just changing Dot's colors, can we change this so it's actually Dot changes colors with the music? So that the music and the colors are changing at the same time? Should we add that? Because I think that might make it more fun to watch, don't you? Okay, so let's see what happens. Right now, does Dot change colors with the music? No. So Dot changes colors now with the music. So I have to take this and throw it away. Take this one and throw it away. And now they're not connected. So now if I press play, guess what's going to happen? It's just going to sing. You're absolutely right, Merritt. So we have to figure out if we want it to change with the music. Do we start at the end or should we go back to the beginning? Beginning. Good, Juliana. Okay, so and we said we wanted to start with red, right? So I'm going to put that, should I put it over here or do you want me to put it up here?
Down.
Down? Okay. All right. So, what do you think I have to do to make it change colors and make the music play at the same time? What can we try? Jordy? Oh, that's okay. Henry?
You could make this go to here.
So make the blue one go to the red?
You could make this go to this.
Okay, make this one go here
And then you can make this one go to here.
and make this one go to here. Okay, let's see.
No, that doesn't make it.
Uh-oh, did it change?
No.
Okay, so we're not connected in the right place. So what can we do now this time? Juliana?
I think we should connect it all straight.
Connect it all straight. So put this like in the middle?
Yeah.
Okay, so you want me to take this out and put this here? Okay, and then what do I have to do to get that to turn on? I forgot already. What do I need to do to turn this red light on? How do I make which arrow do I have to make it happen on?
And then you set this with the trash, and then this one with the trash, and then you move down straight.
Straight, like that?
And then we move down to there.
Okay. And this over here. Okay, but now I'm gonna press play.
See if it turns colors.
Uh-oh, I'm stuck on the start. What do I have to do to make it start then?
Connect.
So,
Connect. I think you have to do like the red and right on the bottom and then connect that
Connect what, the blue one or the red one?
That to there.
This one
Yeah.
to the red?
Yeah.
Okay, now if I do that, let's see what happens.
Stuck on the red.
So what comes next, Kaya?
Then you connect the red to this.
Connect the red to the microphone? Okay, let's see.
I did it! Yes! I just did it fast.
Okay, it's still red.
Still red. And then it got turned to blue. And it's green. Yes!
Okay, now here's my question for you. Would you like to keep it like this? Or would you like to do something, add something, other lights in between the sounds? Or how would you like to do it? Do we just want it to change colors one time? Or do you want to change it more than one time? Lainey? Okay, sit down. Lainey, show us what you want to do. Add more lights. Okay, so we want to add more lights. Where would you like us to add a light? After green, add a light. Do you want to go back and add another green light or another red light? Another red one? Okay. So we want to add another red one. So you want me to put this here. And then how do I make that happen? What do I have to do to make the red light turn on? Oh, I have to, okay, so you told me I have to drag it over. All right, got it. Okay. Let's see what happens. So it's red.
Oh!
Yeah, something.
Yeah, because
Oh, we have ideas. Charlotte, I like how your hand is raised. What's your idea?
we need to put like the red farther away from the green.
You think it needs to go farther away?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I'm going to show you something that you can do with this so that we can save some time.
Maybe.
I'm going to start here
I did
at the end. It's still went pretty fast.
You click this.
I click on that.
You click.
Okay. Then what should I do? Should I add time? This says wait. Dot will go to the next thing after waiting the number of seconds you choose. Do we want to make him wait for a little bit? Okay. How many seconds? 2, 3, 4, 5?
5.
Okay.
6.
Ready? So now it says 5 seconds. Oops, that's not what I want to do. I'm going to start from here.
100. Yes, it's green.
Now it's red. Okay, here's a question for you. Do you like how it's just changing colors?
Yes. No.
No,
Yes.
Henry, what should we do?
I think what we should do is we should put another line here and put a green light so it kind of so it can go in a pattern.
Red, green, red, green. What about our sounds? Do you like that we have the lights happening away from the music? Or do you want it to happen in the music?
Happen in the music.
Happen in the music, because we said we want that to change colors with the music. Is it changing colors with the music right now?
No.
No, sit down. Okay, so what do you think we have to move? We have to move our green light somewhere. Where should we move it?
I think we should like move it over here. Like take this one like for a second, then move it off here.
Okay, I guess what I'm asking, take a look. Can you sit down for a second, Henry, so everybody can see? What I want you to do is follow, watch. Right now it's red, and it stays red. Stays red.
Then it changes green.
Now it changes. We said we wanted the colors to change with the music. But the music, when we put the green here after the number 3, the music's already over. So what do we have to change?
I I know.
Charlotte.
You have to like put the green in between one of the like microphones.
So put the green in between the microphones. Okay, so I'm gonna throw this little connection away. Let's throw this connection away. And let's throw this connection away. And let's throw this connection away. And you want me to move this green one so that it goes in between these.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
How about you do
What do I do to make this go to that?
How about you do this?
Merit.
You have to do the arrow. Do the arrow and
Okay, connect it. All right. Does anybody see a problem we might have, Henry?
that you should you could do it to here and then you could do it to here.
Okay, so change this, so get rid of this thing, and then go to the red,
And then you can go to there.
and then go to here. All right.
Oh, cool. Let's see. And put a timer there. And put a timer.
Well, let's see. Let's see first how this goes. Ready?
It might not work that way.
Red.
That's very quickly. It's still green. No, it's still green. Let's try it. That's right.
Okay.
It's good.
Did we make Dot sing? Did we make Dot sing today?
Yeah.
Did we make Dot change colors while he was singing?
Yeah.
With the music?
Yeah.
We did. Boys and girls, you coded or programmed a robot. Could Dot do this before?
No.
No, before we figured it out. Was it kind of hard to do that?
Yes.
Yeah, it was kind of hard to figure out where do I draw the arrows. But we know now that this is our start and that we can use the arrows to make connections. I want to show you something. What happens, what do you think happens if I connect the start and our number 3?
Oh, they will not be that.
What do you think is going to happen?
It's gonna start, and then it's gonna do the colors, and then it's gonna go back to the beginning and just keep going.
So you think it's going to go back to the beginning and keep going? Who agrees with Henry?
I
Who
do.
thinks it's going to do something different? Should we test it out and see? All right, that was if I wanted to change the time. Wait a second. Ooh, I think I did it the wrong way though. Let's see. Uh-oh.
Told ya.
It went right to number 3. Why do you think it went right to number 3? Leanie?
Because it was connected to that, so I had to do that, and then it couldn't just.
So it had to go this way because I connected it from the blue one?
Yeah, and then it didn't. It leaves all 1 and 2 alone.
Okay, so then which connection should I do to bring it back to the beginning?
You should, like,
Should I do this one, this one, this one? Or the red light? Which one's going to take me from the end of my song to the beginning?
you should, is that like, you should not actually sing this one.
You can't drag it, but I can. Just show me where.
You should connect this one to this one. You're in the wrong spot. What? Do that.
Maybe. Let's see. She said let's connect the red light to the number 1, and then it will start again. So it brought me back to Heart Called Girl. So what was missing? The number 3. So then, okay, what do I have to do? Which one do I have to connect back to the beginning?
We can add a green at the end.
So connect this at the end to where?
No. We could use a green in the middle, then it's going to change colors doing the song.
Well, it is changing in the middle of the song to green. Well, I'll come back to this and see if we can figure out how to make it start again. Okay? Good job. I'm gonna pick a number.
And we're going to gym.
Yep, I'm gonna pick a number.